Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Lisakhanya Ntshinga for those who are new, and you can follow me on Instagram at Lisakhanya _ and also on Facebook at Lisakhanya Ntshinga. So in today's video I am going to be reviewing a SHEIN, was it SHEIN or SHEIN ponytail, and also installing. Yeah, I bought it like last month, at the beginning of this month. It's like November, yeah. So this is the packaging. I forgot to check how many inches. Oh yeah, it's 30. It's 32 inches, yeah. It's 32 inches. And to get my baby, see. Let me move back. Iyavuma plus the quality of the hair. I got bed show me right. Yeah, I can't complain. It's not bad. It's not. I don't know how I'm gonna install it to work, guys. But anyways, and another wrap. Also, this is the inside. In a clip, there's a clipper, and I didn't expect it to buy volume even harder, but like, yeah, it's okay, cause nobody wanna get picture even. So I'm gonna try to install it on my camera. I don't know how this is gonna work, but okay. Okay. No, mama. Yeah. Okay. Extra Okay. I should use the afro desana. Right, so I'm gonna try to fix it off camera because currently I'm the Lisa. But I think I'm going to leave. Oh my god. It's okay. I'm gonna try to fix it. But anyways, yeah guys, that's it. Yeah. Oh my god. Right. Yeah, I'm gonna try to fix it off camera, and I'm gonna take pictures and show you guys how it turned out, like without me having to put it as a back. Okay, so I just installed it off camera, and all I can say is isn't really tangles, like yo. But you have to just be careful when combing it. Be patient. It's nice. It's nice, but I wish my cooking really is as neat, because it's not covering up up and down. But all in all, if you want to buy it, you can buy it, and then if you don't want to, yeah. If I knew by Zobanje, personally I wouldn't buy it. Yeah, I wouldn't, but it turned out good way too. So yeah, sure, I'll make a plan. Yeah, and that's not journey, but I'll make a plan. I'll make a plan to fix it in this jalo. Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and also don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, and share this video, like, and leave a comment. Yeah.